Dear students, welcome to our class. So JEE Mains 2022 Mathematics. I hope that you are preparing well for your examinations. Hardly very few days are there. Okay. So today's session I am going to explain the problems from three-dimensional geometry. So these problems from these three-dimensional geometry are very easy. Almost everybody can solve this problem. The only thing is you should have the command over the concepts and the formulas of the three-dimensional geometry. So in these three-dimensional geometry, the problems comes under lines and planes, direction ratios and direction cosines, all will come under the chapter three-dimensional geometry. Okay now? So let us take some problems from three-dimensional geometry. So dear students, welcome to our first problem. The first problem is this: if 1, 5, 35, 7, 5, 5, 1, lambda, 7 and 2 lambda, 1, 2 are coplanar, then the sum of all possible values of lambda are. So we have to find out the values of lambda such that the sum of all the values of lambda such that all these 4 points are coplanar. To solve this problem, first of all you should know some basic ideas and basic concepts from the chapter three-dimensional. The first thing what you have to know is coplanar. Coplanar. What is meant by coplanar? If 3 or 4 points are said to be coplanar if they lies on the same plane. That means, for example, this is a plane, this is a plane. For example, point A, point B, point C, point D are there. So this is a plane. So if you observe, this is a plane, this whiteboard is a plane. If it is A, B, C, D, then these 4 points are coplanar. Okay, right. If these 4 points are coplanar, we know that AB, AC, AD is also coplanar. That means if points A, B, C, D are coplanar, that implies the line segments AB bar, AC bar and AD bar. AB bar, AC bar and AD bar are also coplanar. This is the thing what should you know. AB bar, AC bar, AD bar are coplanar. That is the first thing you should know. The second one is if a line passes through the points A, x1, y1, z1, B, x2, y2, z2. It passes there. A and B are 2 points on the line. Then what are the DRs of the line L? DRs of L line is L is given by x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. So this is the direction ratios of the line joining A, B passing through x2, x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. Okay. And the third thing what you have to know is, for example, I already told the DRs of the line AB. Let us take this as a A1, B1, C1. DRs of AC is A2, B2, C2. DRs of AD is equal to A3, B3, C3. So let us take that. So the DRs of AB and DRs of AC and DRs of AD are A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. These three are coplanar. Already we said that AB, AC, AD are coplanar. Of course, when A, B, C, D are coplanar, then this we have the concept determinant of A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. Its value is equal to 0. Okay. its value is equal to 0. If these three lines AB, AC, AD are coplanar and their DRs are A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3, then the determinant of this A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3 is equal to 0. The determinant value is 0. So, if you know all these three concepts, so you can easily solve this problem. Okay, now, so let us go for solution of the main problem. So, dear students, welcome to the solution of the main problem. So, here he is saying that, so these are the 4 points A, B, C, D, they are coplanar. So, this is, let us call it as A, this you call it as B, you call it as C, you call it as D. Okay, now, so already in the just now I told, if A, B, C, D are collinear, then the A, B, A, C, A, D are also coplanar. Of course, sorry, if these 4 points are coplanar, then A, B, A, C, A, D are also coplanar. Okay, now what are the DRs of A, B? DRs of AB is equal to x2 minus x1, that is 7 minus 1, 6, 5 minus 5, 0, 5 minus 35, minus 30. Okay. What are the DRs of AC? 1 minus 1, 0, lambda minus 5, comma, lambda minus 5, and 7 minus 35, that is minus 28. What are the DRs of AD? Again, 2 lambda minus 1, 2 lambda minus 1, comma, 1 minus 5, minus 4, comma, 2 minus 35, minus 33. So, these are the DRs of the lines AB, AC and AD. So, I told already its determinant is equal to 0. Why? AB, AC, AD are all coplanar. So, that determinant value is 0, 6, minus 30, 0, lambda minus 5, minus 28, 2 lambda minus 1, minus 4, minus 33. Its determinant value is equal to 0. Right, you can find out directly you can find out the determinant. Otherwise, you can calculate the different say. So, let us take this in the first row, already it is 0. Let us make this is also 0. How can you make it as a 0? How can you make it as a 0? For first column you multiply with the 6 and 5, sorry, you multiply with the 5 and you add it. That is what is the operation I am going to do. Third column, what I am doing? Third column plus 5 times the first column, 5 times the first column. Okay. So, then it will become, so this modulus will become like this. So, first column as it is 6, 0, 2 lambda minus 1. Second column as it is 0, lambda minus 5, minus 4. Now, third column, what I am transforming it to? Multiply the first column with 5. 5 6 are 30. 30 minus 30, 0. Okay. 5 zeros are 0, minus 28. Okay. So, multiply with 5. 5 2s are 10. 10 lambda. 10 lambda. This is minus 5. Minus 5 minus 33. So, minus 38 is equal to 0. Okay. So, you know the how to find out the determinant of this. So, 6 into multiply these two values and multiply this with subtraction, and you will get an equation. This is equal to, after multiplying you will get 5 lambda square minus 44 lambda plus 39 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. After simplification you will get 5 lambda square minus 44 lambda plus 39 is equal to 0. Now, coming to the what we have to find out, the sum of all possible values of lambda, he is saying. So, it is a quadratic equation in lambda, and lambda will have 2 values, at most 2 values. He is saying sum of all possible values means what? Sum of the roots. Sum of the roots, that is all possible values means sum of the roots. What is sum of the roots? What is the sum of the roots? Sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a, that is equal to 44 by 5. So, the sum of all possible values of lambda is equal to 44 by. So, no need to solve it, no need to solve it. So, the answer is 44 by 5. So, the option A is right answer. So, it is a very easy problem and a easy solution also, and I hope that you understand this solution. So, let us move to next problem. So, dear students, welcome to our second problem. The second problem is the equation of the plane passing through the point 1, 2, minus 3 and perpendicular to the planes 3x plus y minus 2z is equal to 5, 2x minus 5y minus z is equal to 7 is. So, there are 4 options are there. Now, to solve this problem, you should know some basic concepts. The first concept you know is equation of the plane. Equation of the plane. Let us take a plane. It is a plane. It is passing through the point A, x1, y1, z1, x1, y1, z1, and drs of the normal. Drs of the normal means this will be the normal. Normal means, for example, if it is a plane, normal means what? So, it is a line perpendicular to the plane. A line perpendicular to the plane. This is called normal. So, this is a normal, and the drs of this normal is a, b, c. These are the drs of the normal. Normal means perpendicular to this plane. Okay. Then what is the equation of this plane? Equation of the plane. It is given by the formula a times x minus x1 plus b times y minus y1 plus c times z minus z1 is equal to 0. Okay. A times x minus x1 plus b times y minus y1 plus c times z minus z1, where x1, y1, z1 is a point on the plane, and a, b, c are the drs of the normal. Drs of the normal. Normal means, for example, if it is a plane, this is the normal. This is a normal. Its drs are given by a, b, c. So, this is the first concept you should know, and the second concept you should know is if two planes are perpendicular. For example, this is a one plane and another plane. If these two are perpendicular. Perpendicular means what? Their normal should be perpendicular. So, this is a normal. So, this is a one normal and it is a normal to the n1. They are perpendicular. If the drs of the first normal is a1, b1, c1, and the drs of the second normal is a2, b2, c2. So, they are drs, direction ratios of the first normal is a1, b1, c1. The drs of the second normal to the plane is a2, b2, c2, and these two planes are perpendicular. So, planes are perpendicular. The condition is a1, a2 plus b1, b2 plus c1, c2 is equal to 0. If two planes are perpendicular, that means their normals are perpendicular. Normal to the planes are perpendicular, then the ds, the product of the drs a1, a2 plus b1, b2 plus c1, c2 is equal to 0. Okay, right. If they are parallel, we have a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. But he is saying that this plane is perpendicular to the remaining two planes. Okay, so if you know these two basic concepts, we can easily solve this problem. Okay, so let us solve the main problem. So, dear students, welcome to the solution of the second problem. So, the required plane, this plane is passing through the point. So, what is the point? Passing to the point 1, 2, minus 3, and it is perpendicular to two more planes. So, let us take another plane. Two planes are like this. Just I am drawing this. This is another plane. It is a plane. So, these two are perpendicular. These two are perpendicular. Just I am drawing like that. So we want the equation of this plane. We want the equation of this plane. First thing, as I already told in the concept, to find the equation of the plane, we want a point on the plane, and one more thing what we want, we should know the drs of the normal. We should know the drs of the normal. Okay, a comma b comma c. If you know a comma b comma c, the problem is completed. Okay, now so let the drs of the normal of the required plane be a comma b comma c. So these are the drs. Then what is the equation of the required plane? What will be the equation of the required plane? Equation of the required plane is a into x minus 1 plus b into x minus 2 plus c into x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, just I told a into x minus x1 plus b into x minus x2 plus c into x minus x3 is equal to 0. If you know the values of a, b, c, the problem is completed. Okay, now, so to find that a, b, c, here it is given that this plane, our required plane, is perpendicular to two more planes. Okay, now, so let us find out two planes perpendicular means what we have. The just now I told the condition. What is the condition I told? a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to 0. So this is a a1 b1 c1. This is a2 b2 c2. So it is perpendicular condition. What is the perpendicular condition? You see, a1 a2. We can call it as a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2. Okay, a1 a2, that is equal to 3a, b1 b2, here 1, here b, that is equal to b, c1 c2 minus 2c is equal to 0. This is one equation, called as first equation. Second, so this second plane and our required plane, these two are also perpendicular. So this is ax plus by plus cz is equal to d, means here a, b, c are the drs of that normal of that plane. Okay, now, so that is also basic concept you should know. So what are the drs here? 2 minus 5 minus 1. Okay, now, so see here again a1 a2. So this is a 2a, b1 b2. This is a minus 5b, a c1 c2 minus c is equal to 0, called as second equation. Okay, now, so now we have to solve these two equations to get the values of a, b, c. They are drs, any set of values we can take. Since a, b, c are the drs. Right, we can solve these two equations like this. Right. So we can have a cross multiplication method. This is a 1, just to take the coefficients, 1 minus 2 3 1, 1 minus 2 3 1, again minus 5 minus 1 minus 5 minus 1 2 minus 5 2 minus 5. Okay, now, so this is a, here b, here c. Okay, now, so here what you will write down? A by, this is minus 1 ad minus bc, just like matrix, minus 1 minus, this is 10. This is equal to b by minus 4, this is plus 3, c by minus 15 minus 2. So this is a by minus 11, b by minus 1, c by minus 17. So since a, b, c are the drs, so this is one set of drs. You can multiply with minus 1 also. A by 11 is equal to b by 1 is equal to c by 17. Okay, now, so a by 11 is equal to b by 1 is equal to c by 17. Just to easily you can guess 11 1 17. So you observe here 11 1 17. Where is there? 11 1 17. So that is the required answer. Okay, now, and also it passes through the point, this is also passes through the point 1 comma 2 comma minus 3. You can substitute here 1 2 minus 3, you will get the answer 0. Okay, now, so it's a very easy problem. and solution also. Actually, what you have to find out, a into, that means 11 into x minus x1, that is 1 plus 1 into y minus y1, that is 2 plus 17 into z minus z1, that means plus 3, is equal to 0. So, if you simplify this, you will get the option B is your right answer. Okay. So, I hope that you understand this solution. So, let us go to third problem. Dear students, welcome to the third problem. The third problem is, let a comma b belongs to real numbers. If the mirror image of the point a comma 6 comma 9 with respect to the line x minus 3 upon 7, that is equal to y minus 2 upon 5, that is equal to 7 z minus 1 upon minus 9 is 20 comma b comma minus a minus 9, then the value of modulus of a plus b. Right. To solve this problem, the first basic thing what you have to know is mirror image he is saying. What is the mirror image? For example, this is a line L. If the point P x1 comma y1 comma z1 is there. What is the mirror image? What is the mirror image means? It's image. So, it will be here. This is the Q x2 comma y2 comma z2. This is the image. If you call it as a M, PM is equal to QM. PM and of course perpendicular. So, then Q x2 comma y2 comma z2 is called the mirror image of the point P x1 comma y1 comma z1. Obviously, the midpoint of PQ lies on where? The line. That means what is the midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2 comma z1 plus z2 by 2 lies on the line L. Okay, now. So, if you know this concept, the problem will be over. And moreover, so this is the equation of the line in the 3-dimensional plane. So, you should know what are these values: 7, 5, minus 9, 3, 2, minus 1. What are these values means? So, if these values are there, this is 3, 2, minus 1. They are the point 3, 2, 1. This is a point on the line, one of the point on the line. What are 7, 5, minus 9? They are the DRs of the line 7, 5, minus 9. Understand? So, that means that line passes through the point 3 comma 2 comma 1, and the DRs of that line is 7 comma minus 5 comma minus 9. Okay, now. So, here 2 points are given. These 2 points are, the second point is the mirror image of the first point. Then we have to find out the value of A and B. Okay, now. The problem is very easy. So, after explaining this concept, you immediately think of that the midpoint of these two, the midpoint of the line segment joining these two lies on this line. That's all. So, if you do that problem, if you do that calculation, the solution is very easy. So, let us move to the solution of the main problem. So, dear students, welcome to the solution of the main problem. So, here 20 comma b comma minus a minus 9 is the mirror image of a comma 6 comma 9. That means, so this where line equation is this is x minus 3 by 7, y minus 2 upon 5, that is z minus 1 upon 9. The point P is a comma 6 comma 9, and the point, let it call it as a point Q. So, if you take the point Q is 20 comma b comma minus a minus 9. Understand? So, easily find the midpoint of PQ. What is midpoint of PQ? So, what is the midpoint of PQ? x1 plus x2 by 2, that is equal to a plus 20 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2, 6 plus b by 2 comma z1 plus z2 by 2, that is 9 minus a minus 9 by 2. Understand? So, this is a plus 9 minus 9 we can cancel, right. So, this is the midpoint of this line segment join. This is M. So if you observe that this M lies on this line, okay. So when M lies on this line, so this point should satisfy this equation. So wherever x is there, substitute this value. So this is equal to a plus 20 by 2 minus 3 by 7 is equal to, what is the y value? So this is a 6 plus b by 2 minus 2 by 5 is equal to, what is z value? Plus 9 minus 9 cancel, minus a by 2 minus 1 by minus 9. Okay na? So we have we got an equation in the variables a and b. Simply you solve this first part and the third part, you equate first part and second part, you will get a value, and second part and third part you equate, you will get an equation a and b. Okay, you can solve easily. Okay, after solving this, a value you will get minus 56 and the b value you will get minus 32. Okay, now so you solve these two equations, it will be easy. So therefore a plus b is equal to minus 88 modulus of a plus b is equal to plus 88. Understand? So very, very easy. The midpoint of these 2 points lies on this plane. Simply solve these equations. First part and third part equate, you will get a value, and first part and second part equate, you will get an equation a and b. Already you find out a value, substitute in this equation, you will get b value. So very easy problem. Such type of problems are also asking in JEE mains examination. So please concentrate on these problems, this type of problems. Okay, I hope that you understand today's all problems, and in the next class I will come with some more problems. Okay, see you, bye.